Now, don't call me in the middle of it this time. Jeez. No, it's not playing. Tight. See, though, you just messed everything up. Whoa. Big version. Okay. This is your fault. Oh, now it plays. And I X out of it. That's nice. Okay, here we go. Play. Roxy's in it too. How does that help?
It sizzles up, and the bubbles from the pop, they get in your stomach, and it just like makes burps.
Duh, it doesn't work for me.
You just go like this.
Hello? Man, I'm in the middle of a video right now. I'm making a video of me and Trinity having a burping contest.
Oh,
you could be in the video too, okay? Okay, you talk.
Oh shoot.
Oh, I'm talking, so spin a wall. Take the spin a wall. Take the spin a wall. Take the spin a wall.
Zoe, shut up. I win. I'm taking you off speaker. Damn it. I mean, dang, whoops. Okay, when you get it, you're gonna get a message in a second, and it's actually from Trinity, okay? She's singing. She's singing Hannah Montana. Oh yeah.
Got something in my veins.
I wish Taylor was here. She can do this.
Shush. Trying to video this.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna win. Oh yeah. He's fine.
Zoe?
Okay, we're done.
Wait.
I think I won.
One more.
It didn't work.